Hey everyone, Escapists13 here, back with another video, where today we are playing some more Escapists 2. And ever since the last video, it's got so much support that we decided to do another one. We are on the railroad. And there are a few different ways you can escape. You can ride the horse, or do the grappling hook escape. I do prefer the grappling hook escape. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So, in order to do, this is the fake carrot if we come across some foil and pens. But the grappling hook, the grapple head needs 2 crowbars and a duct tape. So let's go this way first. Let's see what's in here. What's in here? Battery, that's horrible. No! Ah! You didn't see anything. Are you Officer Dan TDM? You are. You didn't see nothing. Alright, duct tape and a baton. Ugh. Okay, here we go. So now we just need 2 more crowbars. Are you gonna hurt me if I whack you with this? Nope, too bad. Let's go. Oh, no. Ah! In the locker, in the locker. Oh my goodness. See ya. Contraband desk. Oh, no. Nothing. Okay, thanks, it's for nothing. Let's see, what's in the medic desk? Probably nothing. Yeah. What up? Not acceptable. Not acceptable. Beautiful. Open up the desk, What's in the desk? Okay. Good. See what's over here. Sorry if it was just too loud for you. Oh, no! Sorry if it was just a little too loud for you. Oh, no! I'm so dead. The reason I didn't get in that locker was because... Oh, no. Ah! You didn't see me. But this lady's gonna be annoying. Alright, go up here, over there. Go! I will legit whack you with my baton. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Go! There might be something in there I need. Oh no. Are you gonna come over here? You are. Oh no! In the locker. Open the desk, guys! Oh no. He's coming. No, he's not. Go! I'm telling you, we just need 1 more crowbar. He's gonna come in here. Let's go for a beat down. Whack! Stick, whack! Stick. Whack! That's nice. I'm taking your guard outfit though. Come on, take it off! Oh, it already is off. Is it? It is, yay. Drop it. Drop the inmate outfit. Give me this. Give it. Make that my weapon, yes. And I look like a proper guard. That's not fair. No! Get the smack down! Boob face! Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. If he catches me, I'm dead. Listen, Paulsaurus Jr., I don't want to whack you. Oh no, that's not good. Go, 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 go. In the locker, yes! You didn't see nothing. Just go back to your business. Okay. You need to go. I'm sorry, you need to go. No! He's gonna take all of my stuff. Everything is contraband. Except for this, and this, and this. No. Now, there's only one place where my stuff is, and that's the contraband desk we found earlier. Why? It's in there. Where are you taking me? There was a medic like 3 stops ago. Oh, you take me yourself. Oh, no. No, I want to whack you so badly. Go, 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 go. Come on. Put on here. Oh, no. Ugh. It's in there. Yes. Yes, beautiful. Okay. Now, the last crowbar, and then we need a length of rope to make the full-on grappling hook. Go, 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 go. Go! No. No, go. It's in there. Oh, you come in here, I'll whip you. Oh. Yes. Desk. Yes, the crowbar and the length of... Yes. We're out. We're getting out. Crowbar that. No, whatever. Craft. That. Craft. Got a grappling hook. It is a weapon. Oh, no. Okay, so I can hit people. If I really wanted to. Oh, no, I passed the place where I was supposed to go. No. If he comes in here, I'm... Yes. The place where I need to be is right there. Yes! Woohoo! Yes, I did it! And what did I get? An F. That's nice. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, then please do subscribe. Click in the top left-hand corner between the logo and the thing to see one of my Lego animations. Click below that to subscribe. Click next to those videos to see both my friends' channels. Check them out. If you like my content, you'll like theirs. Bye!